beautiful Burlington. This is a suburb that is 30 minutes west of Toronto. A young family live here, and this is their basement that we renovated for them a few months ago. The first time I saw this space, what really stood out to me was that it was cold and very drafty. It was one large open space with a really dated bar and an old fireplace. When the renovation started, the contractors saw right away that there were some major problems that they had to deal with. The house had been sinking due to foundation and structural issues. But when the construction team found it, they had to make sure it was fixed and up to code. They poured a new footing and installed a new support post, and then broke up and poured a new concrete pad. After about 4 months of engineering and architects, we were back on track to begin our renovation. On the wish list for this project was a large sectional and a TV area. This family loves to watch movies and snuggle up in the evening, so we designed the space with as large a sectional as it could accommodate. Previously, there was a brick wall behind me with an old wood-burning fireplace. The family didn't need a fireplace, but they did need storage. So we were able to design a space that had wall-to-wall closed storage and everything can be put away. Because of the added construction costs, we had to save money in a few places. Originally, we were going to do wall-to-wall walnut cabinetry, but it just wasn't in the budget anymore. So a great swap out was changing the material. These cabinets are melamine, and I feel like you can't even notice a difference. I really like how the black shiplap turned out here. We installed it in a vertical application. It visually makes the room feel a little bit taller. It is a basement, so we're a little bit less than 8 feet. As well, we painted it black because it helps the TV to recede. We knew we wanted wall sconces, so we had some intimate lighting down here. We didn't want them to pop off the black shiplap too much, so we decided to go with a black light, and I feel that they recede into the space a little bit, but they still will add ambiance when you need them on at nighttime. We knew we needed to add more than just a TV on the wall. I really like how adding the art on both sides really helps you to detract from the TV and see the beautiful art instead. For this kitchen, we weren't able to have an overhang, but we really wanted to have an island that was functional. So we gave them navy lowers in a classic shaker style cabinet and an off-white quartz countertop. The homeowners really wanted a microwave so it could service them when they're entertaining friends and family, as well as for the kids to use. So we were able to accommodate that. As well, they wanted a sink area. So not just a tiny bar sink, they wanted a little bit more of a prep sink. They also wanted a drink station and open shelving so they could entertain their guests and everything was really accessible for them. On the homeowner's wish list was a table and chairs. They love entertaining and they really like having their friends over and playing cards and poker. It's also a great space for the kids to have crafts and be able to play as well. We knew we were going to replace the windows and the sliding door in this home because it was so drafty. But what we did to accommodate our mudroom was instead of our 4 windows and sliding door, we took out 1 window and moved the door over a little bit. So then it works great. We really didn't sacrifice any light, and now we have a beautiful mudroom as well. We designed this custom loft door, which saves space for our clients, and they're able to open and close it, close out the mess, so it functions really well for them. This mudroom is 7 feet deep by 11 feet wide. We were able to give them wall-to-wall built-ins with seamless hardware, so the millwork just recedes into the foreground. The clients use this entrance so often from the garage, so it's great because they can use hooks for all their coats, the dog leash, as well as backpacks for the kids when they come in and out, and it hides all the mess. The bathroom is actually a great size, but it wasn't designed properly. The shower was really small and the vanity was really large. So what we did is we decided to have the shower then go across the whole width of the room, and then we made the vanity a little bit smaller. We decided to take the window out in this renovation. It wasn't functioning well, and we like that now we can have a seamless tiled shower, and it just feels a little bit more purposeful. Even though this project went over time and over budget due to the structural issues, they now have a home that has a solid foundation and a beautiful space that the homeowners can enjoy with their friends and family.